PE540D, our most affordable embroidery-only machine ever. Backed by our lifetime technical support, the PE540D is packed with wonderful features, usually found on more expensive models, that help make embroidery fun and easy. Like 100 built-in designs, including 35 built-in Disney designs. Plus, the ability to connect to more designs from your computer and exclusive access to more than 5,000 designs on iBroidery.com, as well as from third-party sites. A big 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area to add character and characters to just about anything. A bright, easy-to-use touchscreen. 120 built-in pattern combinations to frame your embroidery masterpieces. An advanced needle threading system. Just one push of a lever does it. And a fast 400 stitch per minute embroidery speed, so you can make more magic in less time. What kind of magic? The magic of dozens of built-in Disney embroidery designs. So unlock that magic right out of the box, right now, with the Brother PE540D embroidery-only machine.